For decades, plastics have made it possible to transform innovative designs into reality, improving our lives in health, safety, and overall convenience. But let's face it, designing with plastic is never an easy task. With so many uncertainties, variables, and demanding project deadlines, you need a powerful solution to make innovation happen faster. Moldex3D simulation will get you there. Built on scientific principles and years of practical knowledge, Moldex3D provides reliable answers to your complex materials and molding questions through smart simulation technology, giving you the ability to explore material behaviors and properties in real-world molding conditions, so you can further optimize structural performance to achieve lightweight, strong resistance, and high-performance parts. When facing tight deadlines, Moldex3D enables you to make better design, faster decisions to overcome your most difficult manufacturing challenge. Whether you need to check early design feasibility, determine the best gate locations, or conduct more in-depth optimization for higher accuracy, Moldex3D empowers you to quickly react to potential problems so you can move your design forward with confidence. To innovate faster, you need a streamlined simulation workflow to bring efficiency to the next level. Moldex3D Studio allows you to perform everything you need, from preparing models, examining analysis results, to generating custom reports, all within one single platform, greatly increasing workflow efficiency and productivity. Moldex3D also brings a great level of customization to your workflow, allowing you to predefine input parameters to ensure simulation consistency. And best of all, Moldex3D will handle all the heavy lifting by automating repetitive tasks in your simulation process, so you can simulate more with less work. With Moldex3D, innovative designs can go farther, better, and faster. Make tomorrow happen today. Simulate your way to rapid innovation. To find out more about how to transform your plastic product designs into reality, visit www.moldex3d.com.